Previously, we divided the header and footer, and then you may notice that these everything's coming from the static HTML. So that's not what we want. We want the dynamic one. So you look at in the in the in the code. I mean in the project. I mean you need both themes and plugin. So I downloaded inside the WordPress plugin theme. So in the folder. So I put it at the same place. Otherwise, you need to open it differently inside the inside your the project. So you can add the folders, and yeah, so add folder to workspace good if you download it at the separate locations. So right now we done with I think we need to wait for our plugin to go to show the images and everything, and the text and the title and everything. So that means we need to create a plugin. We are creating a plugin. So to go to your plugin and then go to the WP admin WordPress dashboard. I think my one is log out. Okay, so and then go to plugin. Just open the tab. And then go to your source code, whatever it is. So source code, and then just, what can I say? Close everything, because we open sometimes. So this is what we will be doing. And then if you are not sure how to switch between the two theme Git, and then just select on this one, and then sometimes this one may appear as the selected one. Normally the safest way is click on Git icon, and then select on the project or folder that you want to change, and then go and change it. So change this one to 01 plugin template, and then that should be the same. So in here, so if that one is the same, so you are good. Otherwise, you are at the wrong project. Be careful. So what you selecting. So this is what we will be doing. So to create a plugin template, so you need to, let me go back. Go back to this one. So that's where we are at, and then look for the SAMP or whatever your Apache server is. So normally I use the SAMP for W1. Go to your htdocs and then go to your WordPress site. So my one is WordPress folder, and then go to WP content, and then go to plugins. That's what we will be doing. So to start with that one, so I make it side by side. So which one do you prefer? It's really like the eye. Okay, this one's better. So this is our plugin. So don't confuse with this one. And if you open that one on Spread Visual Studio Code, it will make you better. If you think that one's better for you, just do that way. Otherwise, I want them to see. I want you to see them both projects at the same time. So it may be a little bit confusing for you. So the first thing you have to do is, so plugin. So to create a plugin, you need two things: the name of the folder. So we call custom. So that's a folder name, and then open that one, and then we can open that one in our project. Okay, let's do that one. So go to your project. So this is our project, and then close everything. We don't need it anymore. So in the, and then right click here, or you go to file, and then add folder to workspace, and then go to your plugin. This is the one we created, and then it will show both. So this is the one we created, so that's same as this guy. So close this one, we don't need it anymore, and then select on this guy. Don't be confused with the theme. So that's why you see my theme is, whenever I'm selecting my theme, that means you are in the theme project. So the better way is, if you're confusing, close everything, open the related one. So we do this way. The cascade. Okay, that's better. So this is our source code, and this is our deployment, and this is our source code. So we'll be looking at template. So the first thing you have to do is you need to give a name, the same name. So the same name as your folder. Okay, make sure these names are the same. And then you start with PHP, but according to the WordPress, you don't need end tag, but I always use end. So this doesn't make any difference for me. So this is a better practice, but you don't need to add this one. So according to WordPress, I'm missing this part. Okay, that's better, maybe. So, and then you need a little things. So same as the style of CSS, you need a plugin description. Just open this one and then copy this one. We don't need that part. You don't need to do anything. So this part is the same. And then select on the either this one, and then click on folder. So sorry, not this one. Okay, this one. Click on file. You need index.php, so that's required. Then it's same for this one, and then save, and then go back to your WordPress backend. And if you are confusing, just follow me, or you go and look the missing part in the source code. So this is our plugin. So if you don't believe me, oh, what are you talking about? So I'm changing here. So our favorite name, hello world, and then save that one. So that's changed by hello world, and then you can change the versions number and then everything. So that's good. And then what do we have to do? Can you activate the plugin? It won't activate. It will crash because we haven't done anything. Oh, okay, that's strange. Okay, you can activate, It's strange, but we are not that process yet. We are not in that process. So that's I learned one thing. Thank you. So you can activate without anything. Okay, cool. So keep going. So this is our template. So what do we have to do? So we need to, this is include folder. So if you need reference, so these are the reference to see colon one reference, and then to create a plugin, WP list table is here. So that's what we will be doing. And so where do we start? Okay, we start from WP include folder. So that's what we need. Oh, sorry. Why I know. I'm making a mistake. That should be folder. Include, and then we need two things. So close this guy. This guy normally you should be given the, according to my experience, you should be given to the unique name. And man, that one doesn't have anything. So you start with PHP and with PHP antic, and then you create a name. So normally a good practice is look at your file name and then give it same name as that one. We just copy and paste line to button. I explain it why we are pasting. See? Okay, that's good. Thank you. So the reason we do here is currently we didn't see anything. So when you activate the plugin, so it will flash rewrite rules. That's mean WordPress will be rewriting your rules and everything that you defined. So it's same for the deactivating. So we don't have anything yet, and then you will see it later. We'll be adding something when you activate the plugin, and we'll create the tables, and we'll add the dummy data and then everything. I mean, can we? No, we can add dummy data, but we are not adding dummy data. So we create a tables, and then we create everything when you plug it in. So you make it ready the users to use. So they don't have the difficulties, you like us, so they are not developers, so they don't know what they should be doing. So just copy this name, and we'll be creating the same. So we are in plugin activator of PHP. The reason we are doing is these guys are not. These guys are super simple, so we don't need anything. So make sure you have deactivate, so that the name has to be, and then go to your, what do we have inside here? Okay, we'll create that one. We'll create that one. So click on this guy, so product or index. Make sure you are outside of include. So click on index, and then create a folder. We create a views. The reason we are doing this way is this is MVC, so model view controller. So it's pattern. So if you're not familiar with it, it's good, so you can track the, and then you can reuse most of the code. And then we copy this guy, just copy, Control C, select, put the cursor, and then Control C, and Control V, save. So open this guy, product custom table.php. We close this guy, we don't need this guy anymore. So this is the most important part. So if you are following me along, make it bigger. Not this one, we want the other guy. So I will explain it to you. So we done this part. So this is just the description for the your plugin. So this part is the standard one. If you're creating plugins, so you trying to your plugin needs the absolute path, and then that one doesn't have absolute path, and then WordPress doesn't allow you to make to allow access to your plugin, or some other ways that your plugin is compromised and then someone is controlling. So if it doesn't have this part, then you so someone can control over your plugin. So this is a good practice. So just copy this one, go to WordPress, so you will see that so line 15. So this one, this better. Save, don't forget to save, and then we need to create this one. So where are we? We are here. When you are creating plugins, so where do you want to add? So this is what it is talking about. So you call that one, so you select select, and then you call that one in here, and then add to the admin menu. That means somewhere here it will arrange by the the name. So it should include here. That's what it is saying. So and then this is a product, this is a callback function for the viewer views. So we are calling this guy in there, and then we create a runner. So we add this one inside that one. These are the hook. So you go to the WordPress and Untitled admin page, and then you will see that one in the WordPress. So we just copy this guy, so we don't want to overcomplicate it. Just copy line 21 to 38. You will know that you will forget anyway if you are starting. So don't memorize, just follow me along, and then you will see that. So currently we haven't done anything yet. So we just call the product, this guy. So it should be the okay. We just call the product one. We just call the so now we try to add menu. Is it called admin menu? Admin menu, I think. Add action. Yeah. Okay. Just copy this guy. That's better. Don't have to. Don't type. Go to URL. So save. Currently we haven't done anything yet. We haven't called the include folder, and then go to your one, and then that's where you will be saying, so you need to activate plugin, and what happen when you deactivate it. So just copy these guys, so you will know what I'm talking about. So we caught this guy, we got this one, and then we're trying to add, these are the hook, WordPress hook. So I will show you this is the name of your plugin, and then that's it. Plugin should be activated, and then so that's your views, and then this is your dash icon, so text page. So if you select on here, hopefully everything should be fine. It is still fine. It's still fine. So we try to activate. So you look at here, nothing here. So you try to activate. Something should pop up. This is our one. So see, plugin is activated here. That's good. Then you see that the one is this is our one. And then click on this guy, product custom interior. So that's a product page. So you go inside your plugin and then close everything. And then open this guy. And then type something. Forgive me about this guy. Typing is really bad today. So refresh. So this is this is the view, and then this is the plugin, and then hook inside the admin bar. And then we got our plugin, by the way. So our plugin is working. So next tutorial we'll be adding more. So keep tuned. And then if you found any technical glitch, and then let me know at the comment. And then if you really hate it, create the similar concept, and then do not copy that, and make your own tutorial so it will benefit for others. Okay, see you soon. Bye for now.